Kurt Draws.
Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and I'm a dad who loves to draw. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a skunk. It's easy, step by step. This guy is sweet looking. He has a big bushy tail, striped down his back, and some cute little eyes. Come on, let's get in the studio and get to drawing. All right, first thing we're going to do is start with a straight line along the bottom. This will be the bottom part of his body. And let's get a nice long curve here, almost to the center, not quite. This will be the snout. And now this leaning square shape will be the front of his head. And we're going to start from the back and curve it up. This will be the back of his body. So we're looking at the front of his face here. All right, let's bring down almost like a widow's peak. This will be the white of his fur. Right down the center, right down, just off center, just slightly. You want to make the right side a little bit bigger than the left side there. Drop a nice curve for his ear. This is where you want this side of the face to be a little bit smaller than this side of the face. Drop a couple eyes. Now let's put a couple feet here, legs and feet. Keep them really simple. And we like to create contrast that way. Another curve, another C curve. This will help indicate his leg. This is like his hind leg there. And we'll stick one back in the back as well. Now when it comes to drawing his tail, I'm going to start at the end of the tail and connect it. That way I know that I'm going to position it right. So start at the end of the tail and bring it to the back end of his body.
Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, go down there and give me a thumbs up. You got this.
This is an under drawing, so we want to make sure this remains light. This will be the center black stripe that goes the length of his tail. Kind of give him a mean look because he is something is scaring him and he's ready to shoot his really his only defense mechanism, and that is his stinky smell. You know, I was thinking even when a dog's hair on the spine raises up because he's kind of scared, we've add a little hair raising to the back of his spine. Got his nose in. All right, so that pretty much finishes up our underdrawing. Now I'm going to go back over and darken the lines up. If you need to pause it at any point, this would be a great time to do it, to get your drawing all caught up. Yeah, and all I'm doing is darkening my lines now, using my underdrawing as that basis. These are all sketches, so that's why we like to use an underdrawing and drawing lightly and then coming back over with a darker line. Keeping it nice and loose. I've put the final drawing on the left along with a color version. That way once we get to the end of the video you can pause it and you can color your skunk so it has a similar coloring pattern as I have the one demonstrated as an example. All right, we'll get his front legs in here. Get some free hairs standing around. Yep, going up the back of the tail there, so it has a little bit of a rough feel to it. And that just about takes us up to our 5-minute mark of our skunk drawing. I hope you enjoyed that. And jump on down there and give the video a like. I would really appreciate it. And we will see you next time. Okay, great job. Bye-bye.